Hello everyone. Let's take a closer look at how you can use the Post tab inside the general channel or possibly channels you've created inside your staff or PLC team in order to engage your colleagues in dynamic collaborative discussions. So here I am inside my St. Demo School ECSD staff team. I'm in the general channel in the Post tab, and you can see that I already have comments and conversations started. So again, this Post tab is an ongoing stream of any conversations, group discussions, questions that are posted, provocations that are posted, or even collaboration on documents that are shared in the staff team. All of that appears in an ongoing stream with the newest posts appearing at the bottom. Now, how do you start a new post? Simply come to the very bottom of the screen to the new message text box. Here you will see that you can simply start typing your question, comment, or provocation. So as you can see here in the new message text box, I've gone ahead and typed a reminder message for my colleagues. Now, before I hit enter on my keyboard or click on the paper airplane icon here below to send this post to the stream, notice that there are icons below the new message text box. These icons allow me to enhance or add content to my post. Let's take a closer look at the format text icon. When I click on the format text, notice that if I leave it set to new conversation and everyone can reply, I can add a subject. I can also format the text of my post by making it bold, italicized, or underlined. I can highlight, I can increase the size of the text. I can even add in a bulleted or numbered list, or insert live links to websites that I'd like to redirect my colleagues to. I can also mark this post as important, and by marking it as important, notice that it adds the word important as the subject line, and this post is now outlined in a dark red. My colleagues will also get a notification that this is an important post. We'll come back to the format text icon in the next video when we talk about how you can turn a post into an announcement. In addition to being able to format text, notice that I have the paperclip icon. This allows me to attach files. Again, we'll take a closer look at this in an upcoming video. I can also enhance my posts by adding in emojis, animated GIFs, stickers, which also include the ability to create my own memes. I'm going to go back to emojis and I'm simply going to add in a friendly emoji. And once I have done that, I will simply click enter on my keyboard and that message is now posted to the stream. Notice that as part of this post, we see that we have the ability to reply. Now, again, a colleague has already responded to this particular reminder post that has been marked important. Again, when you reply, you simply enter your cursor in the reply text box and type your message. Notice that you have access to all of the same features, including format text, the ability to attach a document, add emojis, animated GIFs, stickers, as well as other options that we will explore later on. And again, keep in mind that any reply or response is nested inside the original post to help keep conversations organized inside the Post tab. Now, what if you make a mistake on a post that you've already posted or added to the stream? No worries, you can always edit your own posts just as your colleagues can edit their own posts by simply hovering over the original post, and here you will see a list of emojis as well as 3 dots, Timbits. Whenever you see 3 dots or Timbits, in Microsoft Teams, click it. It means more options. And notice that under more options, I have the ability to click edit, which opens that post back up in the new message text box, and I can go ahead and edit that original post. Once I'm finished editing, I simply come down to the bottom right corner and either click the X to cancel my edits or click the check mark to mark it as done to submit it back to the stream of the post tab. Again, if I hover over that post and click on those more options, the 3 dots or Timbits, I can always delete the post if I need to remove it from the stream. Now, to wrap up, why consider using the post tab for communication and collaboration? Well, for one, it stops the back and forth email reply alls because now all of these messages can be housed here in Teams. As well, thanks to the conversation history, if a new member were to join the team, they would be able to see previous posts, which they would be able to review in order to gain context and more information.